Nguzo Babies.
Hello, friend. Look, it's the letter S. S. This is a big S, or uppercase S. This is a little s, or lowercase s. S makes the S sound. Can you try it? S. Hi, Kofi.
Hi, Miss Ashley. Hi, friends.
Kofi, we're practicing the letter S. Should we play I Spy?
Spy. That starts with the letter S.
It does. Spy. Spy. That starts with the letter S. Let's see what else we can find in the forest.
I spy with my little eye a snake.
Yes, a snake. Snake. Snake starts with the S sound. S. Snake. This is a grass snake. Can you see its yellow spots on its neck? Grass snakes slither on the ground because they don't have legs. They're generally not dangerous to people. They'd rather hide than bite. Sometimes they even live near water and can swim.
Let's look for some more.
I spy with my little eye a salamander. 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 This is a fire salamander. Look at its bright yellow spots. These colors tell other animals, "Don't eat me." Fire salamanders love damp forests and come out when it rains. Let's do one more. I spy with my little eye. Sap. Sap. Sap can be found on a tree. It helps us make syrup. Sap. Sap. This sticky liquid is called sap. It comes from inside the tree. Sap can look shiny and golden, almost like honey. Different trees have different sap. Some is light and some is dark. People can collect sap, and sap from maple trees can be cooked into yummy syrup for things like pancakes. Thanks for helping me today, Kofi. Thank you, friends, for helping too. We'll see you soon.
See you soon. Nguzo Babies.